just checking my wiper fluid in my car. I've been using the wipers lately, and I said, I wonder if I need fluid. Well, when I got my last oil change, they should have took care of that, but they didn't. It was really low. So I was going to put on my list, and I go to Walmart, buy windshield wiper cleaning fluid. But I had a gallon of that. That's the only way they sell it, in a gallon. I've had a gallon of that before, and I had to keep it outside. And over time, the sun rotted out the bottle, and it all spilled out anyway. So I said, I don't want to buy another gallon of that and just waste it. I said, let me see if there's a way to make my own windshield wiper solution. And I found it here, just asking the question online with Google. Make your own windshield wiper cleaning fluid. It gave me a good answer here. Mixing 1 part glass cleaner with 3 parts water and a little bit of detergent. Well, I got glass cleaner, and it needed a lot of fluid. So instead of using 1 part to 3, I use 1 part to 6, so I don't use all my glass cleaner up. I mean, it doesn't make a lot of difference because I used to put water all the time in the tube for holding the cleaning fluid. So anyways, saved me a trip and saved money from having to buy windshield wiper cleaner fluid.